You only really know video game music. Can I sit there, or I have to take him on? That sucks. Man, I need to not. You know, I kind of need to dodge. Oh my god. Got him! Yeah! All I wanted to do was sit on the bench.